What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to name this organic compound. As you see here we have OH alcohol group, and here we have alkyl group connects to the main one with oxygen atom. So we are dealing with an ether and alcohol group. So if we name this one, is gonna be number 1, this one is gonna be number 2. So we can have it 2-methoxy, because this one is methoxy alkoxy group, 2-methoxy. Cyclohexan-1-ol, or 2-methoxy 1-cyclohexanol. So basically these are going to be, the first one is more popular, the first name. So we have 2-methoxy cyclohexan-1-ol, because we have alcohol group. So basically that's going to be the name of this organic compound. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.